Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Discussing on the calculation of stress in a steel. Okay, here before that we have taken a problem that is calculate the stress in steel for a beam of size 300 mm by 500 mm. The size of beam is 300 and 500 mm and cover provided is 50 mm. D dash is 50 mm. M20 and Fe 415 steel is used. Okay, here first I will write the given data. Okay, small b is equal to 300 mm, capital D is equal to 550 mm, D dash is equal to 50 mm. So obviously D minus D dash, that is D is equal to 500 mm. FCK 20 Newton per mm square, Fy 415 Newton per mm square. Okay, this is all the given data. Okay, so you need to find out value of FSC. Okay, FSC need to be calculated here. Okay, here we have a chart for FSC. To calculate value of FSC, we have a chart. Okay, that is given in SP16 code. Okay, so we will use this chart and find out value of FSC. This is Fe415. For Fe415 steel, we are going to find out value of FSC. Okay, here especially when you calculate FSC, this is the value of FSC here, that is stress. Whereas before that you need to find out the strain, epsilon SC need to be calculated. Okay, so here all the data is given to you. First what I will do, I will be finding the value of epsilon SC. Epsilon SC is equal to 0.0035 into bracket XU max minus D dash divided by XU max. Here to calculate epsilon SC, you need to have the value of XU max. Okay, XU max value need to be calculated. I will be getting this XU max value from XU max by D is equal to 0.48. This is from IS 456. Just go through the code IS 456 2000. That you will be getting the value of XU max by D. Okay, when you have XU max by D, okay, that is XU max by D is equal to 0.48. Okay, easily you will be getting value of XU max is equal to 0.48 times D. Okay, here we have the value of D, that is 500 mm. So I will be using 0.48 into 500. This will be equal to how much? 240 mm. Okay, this we got value of XU max. When you get value of XU max, easily you can find out value of epsilon SC. Okay, epsilon SC is equal to how much? What is the equation? What is the equation for epsilon SC? That is 0.0035 into bracket XU max minus D dash divided by XU max. This is equal to 0.0035. XU max is 240 minus 50 divided by 240. Okay, when you solve this one, you will be getting value of epsilon SC is 0.0027. Okay, so from the chart, here we got value of epsilon SC. Okay, from the chart, okay, where it falls 0.0027. 0.0027 falls in between these two values. We are using Fe415 steel. Okay, we are using Fe415 steel and our value of epsilon SC falls in between these two. Okay, obviously the FSC value falls in between these two. Okay, so I will go for the interpolation. Okay, this is a method of graphical method to calculate the intermediate value. Okay, first one is 0.0021, 0.00241. Okay, here I will be choosing first this value, and respective FS is 342.8. 0.00241, 0.00241, and respective value is 342.8. 342.8. Next one, previous value is 0.00, next value is 0.00276, 351.8. 0.00276, and its a stress value is 351.8. okay, whereas our value false, okay, strain value is here, that is 0.0027. okay, it is in between these two. Okay, so this value is known to you. Okay, that is 351.8 minus 342.8 is equal to 9.0. This is 9.0. This is unknown value, that is I will be writing it as x, and this value is 342.8. okay, so you need to find out this and this. Here what I will do, okay, difference between these two are 0.00035. This one is 0.00029. okay, when you check the difference, you will be getting this much, like 0.0027 minus 0.00241. okay, 0.029 and this one. Okay, now I will be choosing the two triangles. This is first triangle and this is second triangle. Using similar triangle method, okay, first I will be choosing this one. It is x divided by 0.00029 is equal to opposite. When you have the similar triangle method, opposite by adjacent side is equal to opposite by adjacent of another triangle, that is 9.0 divided by 0.00035. okay, when you solve this one, you will be getting value of x is equal to how much? When you calculate, you come to know the value of x is equal to 7. It is around 7.45 Newton per mm square. okay, this value, whatever x is there, okay, it is equal to 7.45. now this total height is how much? This is 342.8 plus 7.45. now the value of FSC, value of x is equal to 7.45 Newton per mm square plus 342.8. okay, previous FSC value, this one. okay, when you calculate this one, you will be getting value of FSC. FSC is equal to how much? This 342.8 plus 7.45 is equal to how much? 350.25 Newton per mm square. In this way, we will be finding the value of FSC. okay, I think if you like the video, please share with your friends. Thank you.